Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the Eufy C28 dock. If you're interested in the C28, the link to it will be in the video description, where we also have linked our top robot, wet dry, and cordless vacuum picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all of those links in the description. So on the station itself, we got to remove the clean and dirty water tanks, which will reveal our dust box. This is where the vacuum bag is. So go ahead, open that lid up, and you see your vacuum bag in there. You can take your current one, should be nice and full. Make sure that you pull it up by this clear piece of plastic right there so you can seal the bag shut so you're not spilling out all the contents as you take it out and dispose of it. And then you can take your new vacuum bag, and if you want, you can write the date on here or somewhere on there so you can easily see and just keep track of when you replaced it last. Clean out in there if needed with some compressed air. And then you're just gonna line it up. Very easy. Press on the cardboard to push it in place. It just slots right down. And then you can take that plastic piece and push that all the way down flush. And then you can just shut the lid, put your tanks back on. They just pop right on. They snap into place, and that's it. Very simple and straightforward to change the vacuum bag on the Eufy C28.